It's not the things inside my head that keep me going. Don't need someone to throw me money, they should show it. Keep chasing shadows, they're always haunting me. But I believe in something bigger, bigger than me. Bigger than me. Oh, bigger than me.
Like a broken soul in a wonderland without angels. That is how I feel when the mirror shows me a stranger. Yeah. And I know they're just fragments of a world where your absence all I get.
What's up guys, so today is Thursday. This is my outfit I'm rolling with today. I'm going with the camo ABW hat, black knife top and shorts, and then I got these new Prestos which are the mid tops. Bought these ones in Dubai actually, so I got that green kind of camo going on today. I got the bag back off Denver and I'm just about to head off to the warehouse to grab some stock before I head over to the gym, because later today I'm doing a photo shoot for the ABW store, so we're going to drive into the city. I got the new lens yesterday, so I'm pretty excited to test that out. Millie, you're going to have to stay home today because we got a lot of running around to do. I got into bed last night, KO'd straight away. I was just in like so much pain, but ooh, looking alright this morning.
Why you won't listen no more? Damn, I let a good girl go away, away, away. I've been.
Oh yes, don't you just love a good old eBay delivery? Alright, so I bought two new Joby Gorilla Pods for the vlogging, that vlog life. This one, it's cooked. The leg fell out. Remember when Nate was filming and the leg just like popped out? It doesn't even stand up very well, so that one goes in the bin. Oh yes, back on the Uncle Ben's rice. Alright guys, so I just cooked up a batch of chicken in the air fryer. Now I'm just going to let that sit there. I'm going to eat that a little bit later, but I'm just having a small meal now. So probably about maybe 150 grams of chicken. And then I'm trying to have a little bit extra carbs in this meal. So 250 grams of brown rice. Well, this one's actually the chicken rice. Steaming today. I think it's meant to be like 30 degrees. I didn't even realise because I've been inside since the morning, but I'm just about to head off to do this photo shoot for the ABW store. So we're going to head on into the city, and looks like we've struck gold today. We just got to the city, so we're just walking to the convention centre so that we can do the photo shoot. I'm here with Tanya, who's going to be modelling. Oh, there she is. The beautiful Tanya. She's going to be modelling the girls' clothes for us. And we were just walking through that defo, and someone stopped her and was like, "Excuse me," and we're like, "Oh yeah, what's wrong?" And then she's like, "You're so beautiful." I'm like, "Oh shit." She is quite beautiful. Anyway, this is our spot, but we'll probably go like down there, and there's stairs there as well. We're just figuring out what sizes she needs to wear first, so I bought one of everything in all the colours, and then we can determine which we need and which we don't. I'm going to swap my lens over now though, because we're going to do the photos first. Alright guys, we just got done doing the shoot. We got it in and out within an hour and 15 minutes, so it was really quick. We only had two items really, the grey tracksuits and the tan, and then we did a few hat shots as well, and then we did the swap where we mixed up the colours. So I'm just going to head over to the convenience store quickly, grab a Pepsi Max to reward myself, and maybe some nuts or something like that. Cashews, feeling like a little bit of nuts. Ow! Like the same ones? Oh, different flavours. Oh. Oatmeal,
like clean me out.
I'll be back. I got only one hand. Nah. Alright, boys and girls, myself and Maria just cleaned up the entire gym. So it's been a long day. I didn't even get time to train today. It's already 10:14 at night. We did the photo shoot. I went to the warehouse. I grabbed all this clothing for the merchandise stand which I just set up. So basically I wanted to set up a storefront so anyone that comes to the gym can either see every colour of the singlets that we've got, and each size is a different colour. So we've got all the sizes for them to try on. Got the pants, the casual t-shirts, the new bulk tees, stocked up with the shakers and towels. All the hats and that are in the cabinet. And then we just decided to do an overhaul of the gym, cleaning it up, just finishing it off. Look how tidy it's looking. I love it.
Look at this chair, how it came out nice and clean, Eddie.
Beautiful, Mum. Brand new again. Spanking.
Almost.
Anyway, I'll see you guys when I get home. Milky, what are you doing on the bench? You're getting a little pamper, are you? Getting your hair brushed. You're gonna get your nails did, hair did, everything. Brush your teeth. Oh, you're looking scruffy. Morning, Millie. Do you want a banana? Morning leg check. Yep, do a yoga stretch, Millie. Good girl. Ooh, I think I lost a bit of condition since yesterday. So because I didn't train and I had a little bit of snacking food, I guess you could say. I had a Len Larry's cookie, had some toast last night just before I went to bed with some eggs. I don't know, didn't really get a chance to train either. I'm going to go to the gym right now. It's a little bit earlier than usual, smash out a shoulder session. So we've got a little bit of a day planned. We've got some special guests coming to ABW, which I will explain later. But first, let's go get our pump on. I'm going to take Millie with me. She took the day off yesterday. Didn't you, girl? You got to stay home all day. I know, I'm ready too. Let's kill it. So just got to work, took my pre-workout, about to quickly smash out a workout. Now I didn't tell you who's coming today, but you probably saw it in the title of the video. So the Gymshark crew are doing their photo shoot at ABW today. So I'm pretty excited about that. We've got the whole team coming. We've got Stephfitmum, we've got Steve Cook. I thought I might as well try and get some training in beforehand. I don't know if I'll be able to finish my session or not, but we'll see what happens. Anyway, I'll try and get some footage of my training, so you guys probably want to see them more than me anyway, don't you?
Feeling so hollow, don't you know, don't you know, I'm living in shadow, don't you know, don't you know, I fell for fool's gold, I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? And you were fool's gold. Oh my God. Yes, I did. And I did it all for love. Yes, I did it all for love. Oh, they say fools believe in it, so I guess I'm one of them. Don't you know, I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? did I know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? And you were fool's gold. Yes, I did.
Alright, probably about halfway through my workout with that natural lighting. Millie! Perfect. Millie, come! You love being in the photos, don't you? You come sit back here with Papa, alright? Good girl. I know you want to be a star too.
I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? And you were fool's gold. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. And I did it all for love. Yes, I did it all for love. Oh, they say fools believe in it, so I guess I'm one of them. Oh, don't you know? I fell for
Art.
Say hello.
Hello, Eddy. I've not seen you since Throwback Thursday
2015.
2015.
I'll see if I can find the footage and I'll chuck it up.
I fell for fool's gold. I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? And you were fool's gold. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
Competing in the
Olympia.
and he was super shredded. I don't know what happened now.
Nah,
Looks like an off season.
Fluffy, I got fluffy,
Just
alright?
kidding. Hey, look
We could be related.
We actually do. It's kind of
We
scary.
look like same muscle genetics.
Yeah, you're a bit shredded. You got a better tan than me as well.
Yesterday I went to Brighton.
Oh yeah, how'd you find it?
It was legit.
Good beaches in Australia?
It was fun. I think better than America.
Really? Oh, did you hear that? Say that again. Better than America.
A little bit better than America.
That's it.
Hello?
Do you remember Maria?
I do!
How are you?
Nice to see you.
Wow.
You look amazing.
Thank you.
How good's her tan? I'm so jealous.
Beautiful body.
Literally just got it yesterday, so thank you appreciating it.
What's up, guys? Alright, so I admittedly have let you down. I didn't vlog much of the photo shoot today because I was PTing while everyone was here. There's a lot of people in and out at the gym. We had a few members coming through, a few casuals. I was PTing. There was like the photo crew plus the athletes. So it was a lot to manage at once, but I did get a little bit of footage on my Instagram stories. So here's what happened. Alright, Millie, you gotta... Millie, no more posing, okay? We got the photo. Move. Let's go. Come on. We'll do yoga later. Come. Come on. Do your stretches over here. Good girl. What is going on? Oh.
Callum, back up a sec. Oh, it's like wiggle there. Yeah.
Ready for the Eddy spy cam? Stephfitmum. What a beast.
Yes, I did.
Anyway, it was great meeting the Gymshark crew. I was really happy to see them all enjoying the gym. They loved the environment, they loved the facility. Everyone gave us really good feedback. That was the first time meeting Steve. I didn't actually film any of that, which I'm really disappointed about, but I met Steve. I've obviously met Steph before, and I've met Karina before. So yeah, they're actually going to be coming back, I think, next week to do another photo shoot, and I think a few of the other Gymshark athletes are going to be down. So it was just really good to touch base with other people that are so like-minded and driven and passionate about what they do and love fitness and just want to help other people. So I'm really excited as to hosting them again and just seeing what the future holds with all our opportunities that are opening up at the gym and just like crossing paths with different companies and different people and not singling myself to just one company or aligning myself with someone that, you know, is going to deter me from associating with another brand or prevent me from meeting other athletes. So I'm just happy to be in the position that I am now, where I can just have my own brand and still do collab videos with other people and other companies. It all comes down to networking and drawing in your circle of friends and moving forward with your passion and what your goals are in life. So that's what I'm doing this year. That's what I'm focusing on, is just networking and just connecting with other people. So anyway. Oh, Lenny's and Larry's Snickerdoodle, that's my favourite. If you guys have had these cookies before, I want to know what your favourite flavour is. Comment in the section below. Snickerdoodle, which is cinnamon flavour. Now wait, we've got choc chip, we've got oatmeal, raisin, and double choc. I think there is another one, it's peanut butter as well. Don't be fooled by the servings on the back. So it says total fat 7 grams, carbohydrates 29 grams with 11 grams of sugar and 8 protein, right? But that is only half the cookie. Servings per container 2. So that means there is about 60, close to 60 grams of carbs in this fucking cookie. That's a lot of carbs. And 22 grams of sugar. Yeah, they'll get ya. But damn, they taste good. Are you hungry? I'm hungry. Whoa. Are you hungry? Hey, Millie, stomp your feet if you're hungry. What flavour are you feeling, bro?
I reckon chocolate chip.
Choc chip?
Chocolate chip would be my staple.
What about cinnamon, bro?
Nah, I don't feel the snickerdoodle.
Snickerdoodle?
It's too much cinnamon, bro.
You don't like cinnamon?
Nah, I'm not massive on cinnamon.
You like cinnamon?
Best.
Snickerdoodle all the way, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cannolis now.
I would go snickerdoodle, but because I had that one yesterday, maybe oatmeal.
Yeah, oatmeal would be good as well.
The trick is to break it in half and then put the other half back. If you just start eating it straight out of the container, it'll be gone, the whole thing. You gotta ration it. Half a serving. Oh, yes! Alright. Because it's Treat Yourself Friday, I was like, oh, bro, you know what I've still got in the freezer? Halo Top. Now, if you're not in Australia or you just don't know what that is, it's only 320 calories for this whole thing. That is a lot of ice cream. And this is the peanut butter one. Sometimes they're even less, they're like 200. But that's got peanut butter in it, so it's obviously a little bit higher. Millie, it's alright. I got the Halo Top. Ice cream for two, baby. Yep, me and you. It's peanut butter flavour. I know, man, I know. That's my favourite flavour. Wait.
Here at Active Bodies World Gym. Alright, we have been shooting here at Active Bodies World Gym.
What's going on, guys?
This guy's an absolute unit. Check out the legs.
Oh, get the legs.
Oh! Looking great, man.
Thanks, brother.
You should definitely check this gym out here in Melbourne. Alright, we have been shooting here at Active Bodies World Gym.
What's going on, guys?
This guy's an absolute unit. Check out the legs.
Oh, get the legs.
Oh! Looking great, man.
Thanks, brother.
You should definitely check this gym out here in Melbourne.
What did I know? And you a fool's gold. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. And I did it all for love.